Well, I've managed to get the starter out finally. It was a little bit of a job. This collar sits in here and the starter sits in that. And this collar has to come out in order to pop the starter out from the other side. I did manage to nick this up a little bit, but that shouldn't be more than $700 or $800 to replace, you know, KTM part. No, it shouldn't be that big of a deal. But it's really soft aluminum, so I narrowed it punching this thing out, but that was the hardest part of the job. But primarily what I wanted to do was get the starter out and just have a look to see what it looks like on the inside after 60 hours. A little bit of dirt in there, no big deal at all. I'll re-grease that little bearing bushing in there, but that's moving nice and free right in here. So that's good. And the body of the starter, it looks absolutely fine. And the underside has a little bit of crud in on there, so I'm just going to clean that up and put everything back together again, and should be good to go. But that was the whole idea of taking this out, just to inspect it and also to know how to do it for when I need to do it, or if someone else needs to know how to do it. So I'll start putting the starter back together after I clean it, and then go to work on a few other things. Check us out, Gnarly Chicken Garage.